guy. Alright, so looking inside, we can see the interior. The corner there is pop out. I don't know what that was for the last replacement. And over here you see the cut right there. You got a cut from the blade. They use a cut knife. That's why we don't want to use cut knife in this Lexus or partner, the Toyota's Land Cruiser, because when they use the cut knife with the long braids, or even the small one, can just cut or tear the pillars. Okay, so I saw a couple of damages there. Over here is fine. We got an antenna, something up there, so I need to find out because it's making a little bend over here. So let me see what's going on inside there. All right, I want to make sure it is not going to be on my waist antenna. I don't want to cut it. Yeah, it's only right there, so I have to cut under this or behind that, okay, because that's on the touching the glass. All right, so after we make the inspection, so this guy I can go probably in the middle right there. All right. You see that right there? It's got a cut on the dashboard. What about here? What about there? Probably, I think the only damage I see is in that part. Some damage inside, okay? So that's why sometimes a video can save you for pay for things you don't do. Because just protecting some areas, that's enough. Even the glue doesn't look really good. Remember, it's gonna be just one move, okay? And next move. Careful in this turn, so watch that. Remember, we have to pass under or behind this guy. Here we're gonna need this guy. With no more angle. Remember, we play with the angle here. We can go this way, or we can just make turn like this. And that's all. The same thing, if you don't have angle, you can play with this guy this way. This form, nothing can stop you like the cat. And that's all. Okay guys, so let's finish. I'm making a new setting device. I'm working on something, okay? Because I want to use my own designs now. Alright. Just go all the way there. Okay, that one good. And we're finished. Okay guys, so let's gonna clean up, come back to set up, and let's see what damage have been before here. You see here? So looks like they apply some glue, because you can see it's shining. It's like they apply some glue here, super glue maybe. Here you see the tears, that's what we saw from inside, but when the glass is here it's hard to see it. The antenna is good, we didn't cut and break anything, it's inside. What else we can see? Here is good, this is nice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up, come back, and we'll attach with the 315 this guy, the clip 315, because they didn't break this guy. So I haven't commanded the customer replace it, so I'm gonna just tell him if he want to replace it or leave him this. We can come back later, it's no big deal. And we're done. Okay guys, thank you so much, see you next shot. So we're ready. I like this one because it doesn't let too much dust and the itching stuff for the fiberglass. And now we put a bit of tape. Pushing up. That's all. Alright guys, so we finished. So you see there's nothing inside urethane, because most of the time when you find these trucks they have a lot of urethane outside, always here at the top. This one is part of the headliner, was damaged before, but not much problem. Okay, so I'm gonna just put all part together. We're done. You saw how working the shield protector for the glass, and that's it. See you next time guys.